वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमारुत्तस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
हस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि
आदेशा आगमस्तथा
आदेशा आगमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठः
धातुपाठो गणपाठः
उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
भूवादयो धातवः
भूवादयो धातवः
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सुनाद्यन्ता धातवः
किम् अभवत् राम? भवतः स्वरः न श्रूयते, ध्वनिः न श्रूयते। हेलो, न श्रूयते। किञ्चित् वदति वा राम? भवतः स्वरं न शृणोमि। Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Rama, understand what I'm saying? Not able to hear your voice at all. You could not understand Sanskritam probably, huh?
No, now you can hear me?
Idani.
Oh, okay.
श्रूयते दात्वा देहे सहसः
दात्वा देहसः
नो नः
नो नः
इदितोऽनुं धातोः
इदितोऽनुं धातोः
ऋतयुद्धातोः
ऋतयुद्धातोः
उपधायाश्च
पधायाश्च
दोष्ट्यपूर्वस्य
दोष्यपूर्वस्य
ऋवोरुपधाया दीर्घ इकः
ऋवोरुपधाय दीर्घ इकः
हलि च
हलि च
उपधायां च
उपधायां च
प्रत्ययः
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
परश्च
आद्युदातश्च
आयुधातश्च
धातोरेकाचो अलादे क्रियासमभिघारे यङ्
धातुरेकाचूलादे क्रियासमभिहारे यम्
धातोः
धातोः
लस्य
लस्य
सिप्तश्च वित्वस्मस्त आतां झथास् आतां द्वम् इट् वहि मगिङ्
तिप्तस्था निभस्मस्त आदां यथास्तां त्वम् इट् महि महि
किंचित् सार्वधातुकम्
किञ्चित् सार्वधातुकम्
आर्धधातुकम् शेषः
आर्धधातुकम् शेषः
लिच्छ
लिक्ष
लिङ्गाशिषि
लिङ्गाशिषि
लः परस्मैपदम्
लः परस्मैपदम्
समानावात्मनेपदम्
अनात्मनेपदम्
तिङस् त्रीणि त्रीणि प्रथममध्यमोत्तमाः
स्त्रीकृतमध्यमोत्तमाः
तान् एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचनान् एकशः
तान्येकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचनान्येकशः
बहुषु बहुवचनम्
बहुषु बहुवचनम्
द्विकयो द्विवचनैकवचने
एकयोर्द्विवचनैकवचने
विभक्तिश्च
भक्तिश्च
युष्मदीपपदे समानाधिकरणे स्थानिन्यपि मध्यमः
युष्माद्युपपदे
समानाधिकरणे
समानाधिकरणे स्थानानपि मध्यमः
अस्मदुत्तमः
अस्मद्युत्तमः
शेषे प्रथमः
शेषे प्रथमः
अनुदातङ्गित आत्मनेपदम्
अनुदातयेत आत्मनेपदम्
भावकर्मणोः
भावकर्मणोः
पूर्ववत्सनः
पूर्ववत्सनः
तनः
आं प्रत्ययवत् कृण्यः अनुप्रयोगस्य
प्रत्ययवत् किङ्गः अनुप्रयोगस्य
कृण्य डुक्रिङ् करणे धातु डुक्रिङ् कृण्योनुप्रयोगस्य सन्धिं कृत्वा कृण्योनुप्रयोगस्य आं प्रत्ययवत् कृण्योनुप्रयोगस्य कर्तृभिप्राये क्रियाफले
परितज्ञितकर्तृभिप्राये क्रियाफले
निचश्च
निश्च
शेषात् कर्तरि परस्मैपदम्
शेषात्कर्तरिपरस्मैपदम्
गतवर्गे किं दृष्टवन्तः? गतवर्गस्य विषयः कः? किं दृष्टवन्तः गतवर्गे? आत्मने पदम्, आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययः, परस्मैपद प्रत्ययः, प्रत्यय आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययानां प्रयोगः, आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययानां योजनं कस्य धातोः भवति, परस्मैपद प्रत्ययानां योजनं कस्य धातोः, कथं धातवः आत्मनेपदी अथवा कथं धातवः आत्मनेपदी परस्मैपदी इति विभक्तुं ज्ञातुं विभक्ति विभज्य ज्ञातुं शक्यते इति दृष्टवन्तः। आत्मनेपदी धातुः इत्युक्ते किम्? कस्य धातोः आत्मनेपदे पदिसंज्ञा भवति? वाचस्पति। कस्य धातोः परस्मैपदसंज्ञा भवति? परस्मैपदी संज्ञा
आत्मनेपदम्
तत्तु प्रत्ययानां संज्ञा। लः परस्मैपदं तङानौ आत्मनेपदम् इति प्रत्ययानां संज्ञा।
प्रत्ययसंज्ञा, yes.
तिप्तसि तिप्तस्त मित्वस्मस् इति एते नवप्रत्ययानां संज्ञा परस्मैपद प्रत्ययः इति। तातां जथा सात्तां दमित्वहि महि इति एते नवप्रत्ययानां संज्ञा, नवानां प्रत्ययानां संज्ञा आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययः इति। तत्तु प्रत्यय संज्ञा, प्रत्ययानां संज्ञा। आत्मनेपदी इति धातोः संज्ञा। धातोः कदा कस्य धातोः आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययाः भवन्ति, कस्य धातोः परस्मैपद प्रत्ययाः भवन्ति? अनुदात्तञ्यतः आत्मनेपदं शेषात् कर्तरि परस्मैपदं। तदेव दृष्टं किल?
अनुदात नित् आत्मनेपदम्।
अनुदात्तञ्यतः यस्य धातोः स्वरः अनुदातः भवति, इत्वर्णस्य स्वरः अनुदातः भवति, अथवा यस्य धातुः ङित् भवति तस्य आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययाः भवन्ति। अनुदात ङितः आत्मनेपदं। शेषः अत्र दृष्टम्। आत्मनेपदम् इति सूत्रे 1313 तत्र आत्मनेपद इति पदस्य अनुवृत्तिरूपेण आगच्छति। ये धातवः येषां धातूनाम् आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययः न भवन्ति ते एव शेषः परस्मैपद, ते धातोः परस्मैपद प्रत्ययः भवति इति दृष्टवन्तः। शेषात् कर्तरि परस्मैपदं। शेषः इत्युक्ते किम्? येषां धातूनाम् आत्मनेपद संज्ञा न भवति ते एव शेषः इति। तेषु परस्मैपद प्रत्ययः भवन्ति इति दृष्टवन्तः। Understand? No?
शेषात् कर्तरि परस्मैपदं
शेषः इत्युक्ते किम्? What is शेषः?
शेषः is
शेषः is
the rest.
The rest
Point that
is
is not mentioned before.
That is आत्मनेपदम् इति अत्र 1312 you can see 1312 आत्मनेपद इति पदस्य अनुवृत्तिः सप्तसप्ततितम सूत्र पर्यन्तं गच्छति। 77 अनन्तरं 77 78 अष्टसप्तति सूत्रं शेषात् कर्तरि 1312 सूत्रात् आरभ्य सप्तसप्ततितम सूत्र पर्यन्तं आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययः भवति धातोः। तत्र उक्तम् अत्र अस्मिन् अधिकारे उक्तं धातोः तत्र यदि धातुः अनुदात्त इत्स्वरः अस्ति अथवा इत् धातुः भवति अथवा भावकर्मणोः भावे प्रयोग कर्मणि प्रयोगे धातोः आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययाः भवन्ति इति आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययाः धातोः भवन्ति इति अत्र उक्तमस्ति किल। शेषाद् इति युक्ते लेफ्ट ओवर that which is not covered तदेव शेषः इति अर्थः। शेषः शेषात् कर्तरि प्रयोगे धातोः परस्मैपद प्रत्ययाः भवन्ति। शेषः इति युक्ते किम् उक्तात् अन्यः एव शेषः। What has been told other than that, uktat anyaha. You follow Sanskrit, is difficult, huh? It's okay, right?
Okay.
Sheshaha means what has been told other than that. Uktat eva sheshaha. Ityukte yeshu yasma dhatoho atmanepada pratyaya bhavanti. तेभ्यः एव परस्मैपद प्रत्ययः भवति इत्यर्थः। तदेव शेषः इति अर्थः। शेषपदस्य अर्थः धातोः धातुषु यस्मात् धातोः आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययः न भवन्ति ते सह धातुः परस्मैपद प्रत्ययानां स्वीकरणं करोति। तेभ्यः धातोः परस्मैपद प्रत्ययः भवन्ति तदेव शेषः इति पदस्य अर्थः। उक्तात् अन्यः इति। Okay, let us revise what we have seen. Now I told in Sanskritam, I hope you follow, maybe not difficult, right?
Yes.
Sheshaha is always uktat anyah. Please note the definition. Sheshaha means leftover. Uktat anyah. Atmanepada pratyah येभ्यः धातुभ्यः भवन्ति इति उक्ताः। कुत्र 1312 सूत्रतः आरभ्य 77तम सूत्रपर्यन्तं येभ्यः धातुभ्यः आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययाः भवन्ति इति उक्ताः सन्ति। उक्तात् अन्यः एव शेषः। येभ्यः धातुभ्यः आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययः भवति तान् वर्जयित्वा अन्येभ्यः धातुभ्यः परस्मैपद प्रत्ययाः भवन्ति इत्यर्थः। शेषात् कर्तरि परस्मैपदम्। Is it clear? Vachaspati?
Clear.
Just try to follow Sanskritam. You have difficulty, tell I will speak in English. Or English and Sanskrit mixing up. I have written a small write-up. This notes I will send you. Atmanepada sanya. परस्मैपद संज्ञा न तो संज्ञा आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययः तो संज्ञा ऑलरेडी वी हैव सीन। आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययस्य प्रत्ययानाम् अथवा प्रत्ययानां परस्मैपद प्रत्ययानां परस्मैपद प्रत्ययानां प्रयोगः कदा भवति केभ्यः धातुभ्यः भवति तदेव विचारः अत्र। अंडरस्टैंड? दैट इज अ डिस्कशन हियर। तदेव विचारः। य धातु इन द धातु पाठ मे हैव एन इत् लेटर। धातु पाठे धातुपाठः इत्युक्ते उपदेशः। उपदेशेषु धातु पाठेषु धातोः इत् वर्णः भवति किल। आम् वा न वा? आम् भवति एव। इत् वर्णः भवति। If a dhatu ends in a hal, व्यञ्जन धातोः यदि धातोः अन्ते व्यञ्जनम् अस्ति, किमर्थम् अस्ति? टु यदि धातोः अन्ते अल् वर्णः व्यञ्जनमस्ति, टु प्रोटेक्ट् द अल् फ्रम् बिकम् लोपः अलन्त्यम् इत् सूत्रेण अल् वर्णस्य लोपः भवति किल, तद् निवारणार्थम्, in order to prevent that, an anunasika ach, nasalized ach, yojayati dhatoh will be added as an it letter. It varna rupena dhatoh yojayati. Why do we need anunasika ach? Anunasika ach means upadeshe ajunasika it sutrena ka sanya. What sanya? Upadeshe ajunasika ach. It sanya.
It's Sanya.
Itsanya. Why do we want the anunasika ach as itsanya? Because we have to protect the hal, the last consonant. Otherwise, kim bhavati? Halantyam sutrena lopah bhavati. Understand?
Yes.
Udaharanam pashyatu atra yada dhatuः अस्ति पच् धातुः अलन्त्यमेत् सूत्रेण चकारस्य लोपः भवति अलन्त्यमेत् तद् निवारणार्थमेव अत्र इत् वर्णः अस्ति दुपचश् इति पचश् पच इति अनुनासिकवर्णः किमर्थम् अस्ति? धातोः अन्तिम हलः रक्षणार्थम् अन्तः to protect the L from becoming lopa. Lopat nivaranartham, to protect, rakshanartham. Tadeva tadartameva anunasika ich dhatoh yojayati. Itvarnah yojayati dhatoh. Yadi anunasika ach varnasya swaraha anudatah bhavati tarhi तेभ्यः धातुभ्यः आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययः भवन्ति. तदेव सूत्रम् अनुदात ज्ञतः आत्मनेपदम् अनुदात it. If a dhatu ends in ach letter, like bhu dhatu, right? Dhatu ending in a vowel, dhatoh ante ach varnah asti. It may or may not have an it letter. It varnah भवितुम् अर्हति अथवा न भवितुमपि अर्हति. May have it letter or may not have, depends. Like bhu dhatu, bhu धातुषु bhu धातुः itvarnः नास्ति किल, bhu एव धातुः. तत्र an anunasika ach added as an it letter can be udata anudata swarita. Itvarnasya anunasika ach varnasya swaraha udatah bhavati va anudatah bhavati va swaritah va bhavati kila. Dhatoh varnanam trayah swaraha santi udatah anudatah swaritah iti. Uchchaihi udatah nichaihi anudatah samahara swaritah iti sutrani वयं जानीमः किल. उच्चैः उदात्तः नीचैः अनुदात्तः समाहारः स्वरितः. अनुनासिक अच् वर्णस्य इत् वर्णस्य स्वरः उदात्तः वा अनुदात्तः वा स्वरितः भवति. यदि अनुनासिक अच् इत्युक्ते इत् वर्णस्य स्वरः अनुदात्तः भवति अथवा धातोः ञकारः इत् रूपेण इत् योजितमस्ति तर्हि सः धातुः तस्मात् धातोः आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययाः एव भवन्ति. ईदृशानां धातूनाम् आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययाः एव भवन्ति. यदि धातोः ञकारः इत् रूपेण वर्तते अथवा इत् वर्णस्य स्वरः अनुदातः भवति तर्हि धातोः आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययाः भवन्ति. Then such a dhatu will take atmanepada endings. Understand?
Yes.
This is the only information available in the dhatu pata in this regard. Okay. There is no other information. It means what about other dhatus? All the other dhatus in the language will take Parasmayapada endings unless they are specifically selected to have Atmanepada endings. Understand?
Yes.
So if you know Anudata Mitaha Atmanepada, that is important. That is the only sutra which specifies the dhatu will take Atmanepada. Nowhere it says dhatu will take Parasmayapada Pratyaya.
But in the Dhatupata, there is no information about, no marks about Anudata, Swarita, etc. Is
Oh,
there?
that Swarandal we have lost. Okay. It's like was there. Swaras we have lost. All the other dhatus in the language will take Parasmayapada ending unless they are specifically selected to have Atmanepada endings. Vadatu. Unless they are specifically selected. Kutra asti specific selection. Last class we discussed, right? What is that? 1312 to 1377, right? Accepting that.
Yes. Yes.
1313 Bhavakarmanoho अथवा आरभ्य 1377 पर्यन्तं specific selection यथा पश्यतु विपराभ्यां जेहे जी धातोः यदि वि उपसर्गः अथवा परा उपसर्गः भवति तर्हि जी धातोः यद्यपि जी धातुः परस्मैपदी धातु तथापि धातोः आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययाः भवन्ति. There is some specific selection made, right? Unless they are specifically mentioned. These are the specific mentions. 1312 to 1377. Is it clear?
Yes.
So unless they are specified, we have Atmane endings. Otherwise, it will dhatoho parasmaipada pratyaha eva bhavanti. Keshat kartari parasmaipadam sutrena. Understand?
Yeah.
Unless otherwise, it will take parasmaipada. Unless they are specifically selected, the dhatus in the language will take parasmaipada only. So, in fact, this is what sutram. All the dhatus in the language will take parasmaipada endings. Is Keshat kartari parasmaipadam. Unless they are specifically selected to have Atmanepada endings, is 1312 to 1377. Understand?
Yes.
The
Yes.
sentence itself, it is in words, in English words. It talks about a sutram only. You follow?
Yes.
In the sutra pate, section beginning with 1312 up to 1377, Asmin Adhikare lists all the conditions which will cause a dhatu to take Atmanepada endings. Kada dhatoho Atmanepada pratyaya bhavanti iti atra uktani. Atra uktaha santi. 1312 to 1377. That is a section where Atmanepada pratyas are ordained after the dhatus. Right?
Yes.
Then the sutra, Sheshat Kartari. This is a small write-up, but write-up it's got a lot of things to. It gives entire summary. The Sutram Sheshat Kartari Parasmai Pada 1378 gives a general rule for Parasmai Pada endings for all the dhatus not covered by 1312 to 1377. Understand?
Yes.
Te tu apavada rupena vartante. Ye dhatavaha अस्मिन् अधिकारे न उक्ताः सन्ति. कुत्र 1312 सूत्रादारभ्य 1377 सूत्रपर्यन्तं ये धातवः अत्र न उक्ताः सन्ति ते तस्मात् तेभ्यः परस्मैपदप्रत्ययः भवन्ति. तदेव शेषात् कर्तरि परस्मैपदम्. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes.
Then the sutras from 1379. Sutra from 1379 to the end of the pada provides Parasmipadi endings as an exception to the rules in 1312 to 1377.
Oh.
Exception. Atmanepada apavadaha uktaha. Kutra 1379 Sutrat Arabhya Antima Padasya Antima Sutra Paryantam. Will be apavada to what? Apavada to Atmanepada Sutrani. Atmanepada सूत्राणि कुत्र सन्ति कस्मिन् अधिकारे 1.3.12 आरभ्य ततः आरभ्य 1.3.77 पर्यन्तम् आत्मनेपद संबंध सूत्राणि सन्ति राइट
Yes.
तेषाम् अपवादरूपेण अत्र उक्तानि सन्ति 1.3.79 आरभ्य पादपर्यन्तम् इज इट क्लियर
Mhm.
so you
Yes,
see
sir.
how beautifully it's arranged so the
Yes.
main sutra is anudatangitah atmanepadam then some special conditions are given when that atmanepada pratyas will be added into the dhatus 1.3.12 1.3.12 to 1.3.77 then 1.3.78 says sheshat kartani padam over that's it but later after the 1.3.79 is why because they are apavada to what has been mentioned before. For example, ship, etc. Maybe atmanepadi dhatu, but with some upasarga and all, it will take parsvepadi pratyaya. So like that. Okay.
Oh.
Apavada to atmanepada pratyaya. So that is how the section is divided. Okay. In fact, now the whole section we know. First is 1.3.1 to 1.3.10 is Itsanya Prakaranam. 1.3.12 onwards up to the end is Atmanepada and Parasmapada Prakriya. Yeah, Prakaranam. Atmanepada Prakaranam 1.3.12 to 1.3.77. 1.3.78 to Pada ending is Parasmapada Prakaranam. Because that is the topic. So 1.3 section we know. Right?
Yes.
Now, in the Paninian Sutrapate, there is no mention of Ubepada. Tadapi asti Ubepada iti sanya asti va? Nasti. Parasmai padi parasmai pada pratyaya parasmai padi dhatuhu parasmai atmanepadi dhatuhu atmanepada pratyaya eva santi. Ubeyapadi dhatuhu ubeyapada iti कापि संज्ञा नास्ति किंतु भाषायाम् अस्ति एव उभयपदी we say no the language उभयपदी धातु like डुक्रिंग करणे उभयपदी उपचश उभयपदी कथम उभयपदी सूत्रेषु न उक्तम् अस्ति किंतु भाषायाम् अस्ति the language we use but in the sutra it is not there what is that however some those may take atmanepada under certain conditions and parasmapada under certain conditions एकः एव धातुः कुत्रचित् परस्मैपदप्रत्ययाः स्वीकुर्वन्ति कुत्रचित् प्रत्ययानां स्वीकरणं करोति राइट धातुः तु एकः एव सः धातुः एव परस्मैपदी भवति आत्मनेपदी भवति किन्तु भिन्न स्थले different conditions right not same different conditions under different conditions tadapi uktam asti kutra the same dhatu under some condition will take atmanepada pratyaya under some condition will take parasmanepada pratyaya ityukte ubhayapadi bhavati dhatu kutra uktam asti where it is told in the sutra patha
1372, 1377.
yes 1372 yes स्वरितः ज्ञतः कर्तृभिप्राये क्रियापले 1372 आरभ्य 1377 how many sutras are there this only 4
6.
and 4 plus this 2 6 the 6 sutras cover what
Ubhayapadi.
Ubhaypada that is Ubhay dhatus dhatoho parasmaipada pratyayah bhavanti kutrachit atmanepada pratyayah kada bhavati कर्तृभिप्राये क्रियापले यदि क्रियापलं कर्तुः यदि क्रियापलं कर्तृभिप्राये यदि क्रियापलं कर्तृभिप्राये भवति तर्हि धातोः परस्मैपदप्रत्ययः भवति यदि क्रियापलं न तु कर्तृभिप्राये किन्तु अन्यस्य अभिप्राय क्रियाफलं भवति तर्हि धातोः परस्मैपदप्रत्ययः भवति। कीदृशानां धातूनां स्वरितः ङितः, दट् आल्सो इम्पोर्टेण्ट्। येषां धातूनां इत्संज्ञा स्वरित वर्ण इत् रूपेण स्वरित अच् अस्ति अथवा इत् रूपेण ङित् नकारः अस्ति, तेषां धातूनामेव अत्र उभयपदी संज्ञा। कर्तव्यप्राये क्रियाफले धातोः ईदृशानां धातूनां परस्मैपदसंज्ञाः परस्मैपदप्रत्ययाः भवन्ति। परगामिनी क्रियाफले परस्मैपदप्रत्ययाः भवन्ति। कर्तव्यप्राये क्रियाफले आत्मनेपदप्रत्ययाः, परगामिनी क्रियाफले परस्मैपदप्रत्ययाः भवन्ति। 1312 to 1377. Understand?
Yes.
Sutras from 1372 to 1377 brings in Atmanepada endings if the result of action, it's important. If the result of action, phala means the result. You have to take the literal meaning, result, is intended only for the agent of the action. Kartra abhipraye, kartuhu abhipraye. Kartaram pratyeva gacchati. Kim gacchati? Palam gacchati. When this exclusivity is not maintained, यदि कर्तव्यप्राये न भवति क्रियाफलं तर्हि धातोः परस्मैपदप्रत्ययः भवन्ति, right? But this rule is, however, not followed strictly. Therefore, dhatus which can take atmanepada endings based on rules 13 to 72 are called ubhayapadi. They are loosely called ubhayapadi. We use sometimes, suppose pachati, Ramaha pachati. Rama may cook for himself only. He should say pachate, right? He
Yes.
cooks only for himself. But we use in the language sometimes Ramaha pachati. Rama is not married, he is the only person in the family. He is living alone. We say pachati. He doesn't cook for others, not even for birds. Okay, he cooks only for himself. We should say pachate only, right? But in the language, the rule is not that much maintained strictly. We say pachati.
Oh.
Okay. Karoti, similarly, krudatu, bepadi. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti. Right? Kurute, kurvate, kurvate. We use. Loosely we use. Anyway, such dhatus are called ubhayapadi dhatavaha. Okay.
Okay.
A few general important rules. Kani chit sutrani. Mukhya sutrani. Tena atmanepada pratyayah bhavanti atra uktani santi. Take tani kani bhava karmanoho. Some of the important sutras which we will discuss, and we are going to discuss also further. Bhava karmanoho. Sutra number 1313. Which brings in atmanepada endings whenever the lakara in the sense of bhava or karma. What does it mean? Lakara in the sense of bhava or karma? Bhave prayoge, karmani prayoge. Understand?
Yes. Yes.
We know kartari prayoga, right? Kartari prayoga, karmani prayoga, bhave prayoga. Kartari prayoge, kriyapadena kaha abhigitaha. Who is denoted?
Karta. Kartari prayoge.
Kartari
Kartavihita.
prayoge, kartuhu abhigitam bhavati. Karmanaha anabhigitam. Right?
Yes.
Anabhigita karma dvitiya vibhakto bhavati. Abhigita karta pratama vibhakti. See, anything which is abhigita will be pratama. Note. Abhigita means pratama. Abhigita karta va, abhigita karma va. Karmani prayoge karma abhigitam bhavati. Ataha abhigita karma pratama vibhakto bhavati. Karmani prayoge, right? Kartari prayoge karta abhigitaha bhavati. Ataha pratama vibhakto bhavati. Kartari prayoge karma anabhigitam. Ataha dvitiya vibhakti. Karmani prayoge karta anabhigitaha. Ataha tritiya vibhakti. Bhave prayoge भावः इत्युक्ते केवलं धातु अर्थः एव भावः भावे प्रयोगः इत्युक्ते तत्र कर्म नास्ति यथा अकर्मक धातोः अकर्मक धातुः अस्ति किल सकर्मक धातुः अकर्मक धातुः इति धातुः द्विविधः भवति किल धातवः द्विविधा भवन्ति तत्र अकर्मक धातोः कर्मणि प्रयोगः न भवति कर्म अभावत्वात् अकर्मकत्वात् कर्म नास्ति राइट अकर्मकत्वात् कर्म नास्ति अतः कथं कर्मणि प्रयोगे कर्मणः अभिहितं भवति न भवति अतः तदेव भावे प्रयोगः इति उच्यते अंडरस्टैंड
Yes.
Karma in karmani prayoga when karma is not there then what is called the prayoga
Bhava. Bhava prayoga.
akarmaka dhatu cannot take karma right therefore it has to be only in either in kartari prayoga or in bhave prayoga simple no karmani prayoga right sakarmaka dhatus can be in what prayoga
Sakarma.
possible
Sakarma. Almanev. If karma is avihitam, then karmani.
sakarmaka dhatus can be expressed in kartari prayoga karmani prayoga or bhave prayoga possible you
Bhava
understand
prayoga. Bhava prayoga.
I give example रामः फलं खादति कीदृशः प्रयोगः
कर्तरि प्रयोगः
कर्तरि क्रियापदं खादति
क्रमेण
खाद् धातुः किल सकर्मक धातुः अकर्मक धातुः वा खाद् should not think too much I'm asking खाद् धातु सकर्मक धातु right it can take karma that's why रामः फलं खादति right
yes
कर्तरि प्रयोगः कर्मणि फलं रामेण खाद्यते right कर्मणि प्रयोगः भावे also possible रामेण खाद्यते कर्म अविवक्षया विवक्षा मम विवक्षा नास्ति कर्म किं कर्म इति see it's purely depend on vivaksha I don't want to mention karma right
yes.
when I don't want to mention karma then ramena kadyate eva bhave prayoga eva suppose sakarma dhatoho bhave prayogah api bhave prayoge api bhavati so sakarmaka dhatoho prayogah kartari va karmani va bhave va bhavitum arhati understand sakarma dhatoho भावे वा कर्तरि वा कर्मणि वा भावे वा भवति कर्म धातोः प्रयोगः कर्म विवक्षायां भावे प्रयोगः simple when karma is the speaker doesn't want to mention the karma my wish right I can say ramena kadyate I want to say that eaten by Rama that is the main focus what the he ate I don't want to say what does he eat so ramah palam kadati kartari ramena palam kadyate karmani ramena kadyate bhave right this is sakarmaka dhatu then kinchit akarmaka dhatu tishtati ramah tishtati sta dhatu sakarmaka dhatu akarmaka अतः कर्म न भवति रामः तिष्ठति कर्मणि रामेण स्तीयते राइट रामेण स्तीयते कर्मणि तु भावे एव भवति अकर्मक धातोः there is no choice karma not there so it can have only two prayoga kartri or bhave understand
yes
you follow what I'm saying
yes so Ramah hasati
yes ramena hasyate simple
hasyate
that's
yes.
bhave prayoga akarmaka dhatu cannot have karmani prayoga please note
Yes.
Akarmaka dhatu can be either in Kartari or Bhave. Sakarmaka dhatu can be in all the prayogas. In fact, this is what the next important, very important sutra tells. Laha karmani cha bhave cha karma kebhyaha. As an introduction to that sutra, I have told everything now.
Hmm.
Understand? You follow what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay.
So, Sakarmaka dhatu kadyate. Best example, the example what I told, you take Ramaha palam kadati. Ramena palam kadyate. Ramena kadyate iti. Trayaha prayogaha sakarmaka kadatoho bhavanti. Kintu tishtati Ramaha tishtati Ramena sthiyate iti. Kevalam द्वौ एव कति प्रयोगाः द्वौ एव प्रयोगौ भवतः अकर्मक धातोः. Understand?
Yes.
So akarmaka dhatu either can be in kartari or in bhave, whereas sakarmaka dhatu it can be either kartari, karma or bhave, possible. Now coming back to the sutra, bhava karmanoho bhave prayoge va karmani prayoge va dhatoho आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययाः भवन्ति तदेव उक्तमस्ति 1313 भावे भावकर्मणोः आत्मनेपदम् इति पदस्य अनुवृत्तिः भवति राइट अनुदात्तङ्गितः आत्मनेपदं फ्रॉम दैट सूत्र आत्मनेपदं कमिंग एज अनुवृत्ति भावकर्मणोः आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययाः भावकर्मणोः आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययाः धातोः भवति भावकर्मणोः what vibhakti saptami don't think that षष्ठी धातोः एव आत्मनेपद प्रत्यय आत्मनेपद is a name for the pratyas भावे प्रयोगे कर्मणि प्रयोगे इत्यर्थः भावकर्मणोः 7-2 okay भावे प्रयोगे भाव विषये कर्मणि विषये धातोः आत्मनेपद प्रत्ययाः भवन्ति. Understand? That is what bhava karmanoho, right?
Yes.
So bhave prayoga, when bhave prayoga will happen?
When there is no karma.
Yes. For sakarmaka dhatu, when the speaker doesn't want to mention karma, then bhave prayoga. And for akarmaka dhatu, bhave prayoga only.
Yes.
Right? There is no choice.
Yes.
We are not talking about kartari. Okay. Kartari prayoga for all the dhatus. Why? Because kartaram bina kriya na bhavati, right? Everything will have karta. You tell me one dhatu where karta is not possible. Impossible. Karta will be there. It's a primary factor, primary karaka. And karta is swatantraha, karta. Sutram is there. Vedanta also says swatantraha. Kintu ayam samsari iti abhimanam. Kintu asmakam abhimanaha vayam samsari iti. But sutra itself says karta swatantraha karta iti. Vyakaranam itself says swatantraha karta. What to talk about Vedanta? Sutram is there. Swatantraha karta. From sutram. Vanani sutram. So karta is, that's why kartum shakyate, akartum shakyate, anyata kartum shakyate. Bhashyakara says, no, in the Brahma Sutra, Bhashya. Kartum shakyate, he can choose to do, he can choose not to do, or he can do it in some way. Why? Because he has got free will. So therefore, anyway, so karta is there for all the kriya, dhatu. Karma is only, depends on, that's why we have sakarmaka, akarmaka, the terms. We don't have akarta, sakarta, not like that, okay? Sakarmaka, akarma. English also we have transitive verb, intransitive verb. Do we have English any verb which where karta is not involved? Say, no. Subject will be there. Shines, sun shines, moon shines, something is there. Falls, something falls, it's a subject. But karma is there or not? That depends on the kriya, right? Type of the dhatu, verb. So bhave prayoga, when we say akarmaka karma avivakshayam sakarmaka dhatoho भावे प्रयोगः कर्तरि प्रयोगः अथवा कर्मणि प्रयोग भावे प्रयोगः अपि भवितुम् अर्हति अकर्मक then भावे प्रयोगः when it will happen for sakarmaka dhatus भावे प्रयोगः is possible when karma is not intended to be specified by the karta and for akarmaka dhatus karmani prayoga will be bhave only and karmanoho it is only for sakarmaka dhatu. So we have to understand here, see the sutra, you see bhava when we say it refers to both sakarmaka and akarmaka dhatu. Karmana when we say karmanoho karmani it refers to only sakarmaka dhatu. You understand?
Yes.
Bhava karmanoho when we say bhave prayoga is possible for both the dhatus, sakarmaka as well as akarmaka. Akarmaka no choice, kartari prayoga or bhave prayoga. For sakarmaka dhatus choice is there, kartari prayoga, karmani prayoga, bhave prayoga. So bhave prayoga is there on both, for both dhatus. What about karmani prayoga? It is only for sakarmaka dhatus, understand?
Yes.
Not for akarmaka dhatus. So whatever may be that bhave va karmani va dhatoho atmane pada pratyaha bhavanti, that is the meaning, understand?
Yes.
Understand.
Bhave arte athava karma is abhigitam. When karma is what intended to be denoted by the kriya padam, then the dhatu must take atmane pada pratyaya. That is the meaning of the sutra. Is it clear?
Yes.
We are going to see the sutra in our format. Already we discussed in the last class. Then next one, purvavat sanaha. Purvavat sanaha, sutra sankhya 1362. 1362. एतदपि अस्मिन् अधिकारे एव वर्तते. पूर्ववत् सनः आत्मने पदम्. What is sanaha? Sanaha already we have seen. And
Yes.
what is that?
This is a class of pratyaya that makes another dhatus.
Exactly, new dhatu, right?
New dhatu.
Sanadyantaha dhatavaha. In that one pratyaya, san pratyaya is added in the sense of, yeah, actually two are given. But generally, I asked in the sense of desiderative. Ichaya. And one more son is which is not in Ichaya. Which one? That is very good. Yeah. Fifth sutra. Guptich Kidvyasan, not in the sense of desiderative, desire. Whereas dhatoho karmanaha kartakar ichayamba, that is in the sense of desire, desiderative. That's called desiderative son. Please note. So the sun, which we saw one section, that sun 315 is not desiderative sun. Please note. 315. 317 only is desiderative sun. Dhatoho karmanaha samana kartakar ichayamba. So when karma is desired by the karta, karmanaha, dhatoho karmanaha samana kartakar ichayamba. That's why ichate san. I don't want to get into the detail of dhatu. I also want to see. Okay, anyway. That's why icharte san. Okay. So please note. So
which one is desiderative?
137. It's very where is given, no? Desiderative means icha, desire. It's called, from that only we get the word desiderative. Icharte. Otherwise we say icharte san. Icharte in the sense of desiring to get something, right? Dhatoho. The dhatu, okay. There also it's interesting. Dhatoho karmanaha. Dhatoho karmanaha samana kartakar ichayamba. The agent, right, wishing for a thing, for an object. And that object must be the karma for the dhatu. Please note. See, you suppose I ask you one thing, you tell me. Bhoktum ichchati. What is that? It desires to eat.
Bubukshu.
So bujidatu, right?
Yes.
Bubukshu. Bhoktum ichchati bubuksha. Bhoktum ichuhu bubukshuhu. Okay. So bubukshu. So bujidatu. Bujidatu means to eat. Bujidatu sakarmaka dhatu. Right?
Yes.
So dhatoho karmanaha, the object of the dhatu, the karma of the dhatu, the karta is as a desire for it. Dhatu and samana karta, connected to the karta, and dhatoho karma, it's a sakarmaka dhatu, he wants to eat something, palam or annam, whatever it is. Right? Karmanaha, samana kartrikasi ichha asti, to consume. So bhoktum ichha bubuksha. That's ananta. Right? Fine. Then this is bhoktum ichha. Then if you suppose if the root if doesn't expresses an object, then it will not, then the root, then san pratyaya cannot be added. Okay, that's something interesting. Anyway, we'll see the sun later. If the root doesn't express an karma, then it cannot take. For example, here the example what I give is Ramaha bhoktum ichchati. So bhoktum means it desires to eat. It means it will have karma. So suppose Ramaha gamanena ichchati. Suppose gamanena ichchati. What is gamanena ichchati? There it will not come. Ramaha gantum ichchati. There form will come. Ramaha gamanena ichchati and all, it will not come. Okay. There it is. Gamanena is tritiya vibhakti. Please note. Tritiya. Gantum, when we say datum pratyaya will take karma. So gantum ichchati jigamishati. Bhoktum ichchati bubukshati. Moktum ichchati mumukshati. Gamanena ichchati or some other it is there, then it will not come. That's why karma is important. Anyway, that sutra we are not interested. We are going away from the topic. But just note. So that is the sun. Ichchate sun. Dhatoho karmana samana kartagad ichchaya. Now the point here is, now san anta dhatavaha, sananta sanadyantaha dhataha, new dhatus, right? So before adding san dhatu, what was the pratyaya? What could be a dhatu? It could be a parasmipadi or atmanipadi. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
The dhatu could be a parasmipadi or atmanipadi dhatu. Now, for the atmanipadi dhatus, so if you derive a sananta rupam of the atmanipadi dhatu, the question comes, what pratyaya the new dhatu will take? Parasmipadi or atmanipadi? For that sutra says, because it is under this section 1362, atmanipada adhikara, therefore this rule says, sananta dhatu will take atmanepada endings if the dhatu to which san is added is eligible to take atmanepada endings. Before adding san, if the dhatu can take atmanepada endings, after sananta it will take atmanepada endings only. You understand? That's
Yes.
a this is only for atmanepada, not for parasmipadi. Please note, because 1362, this number is under the atmanepada section. For example, you have labate dhatu is there, right? Lab dhatu. Lab dhatu parasmipadi va atmanepadi va? Tell me. Just tell.
Labdhatu atmanipadi.
Atmanepadi dhatu. So, lab dhatu atmanepadi. Now, when you add sananta to it, san dhatu, then you get a new dhatu, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And the dhatu, now tell me, the dhatu will be parasmipadi or atmanepadi?
Atmanipadi.
Atmanepadi. That is what the sutra says.
Yes.
But
So,
it was already
it
Atmanipadi.
not, sorry?
Lab already was Atmanipadi.
Yeah, that's what it means what? It means what? Atmanepadi
you
dhatoh, the sananta derived from Atmanepadi dhatu will take Atmanepada endings only. It means from Parasmipadi and all, it will not be like that. That's the meaning.
Hmm.
See, when I say something specifically, when I say Vachaspati is a good student, it means what? Rama is not. Like, it is what it Purvat Saraha means. When I say Vachaspati is intelligent, he picks up very quickly compared to others. How many are there others? Only Rama is. So it's understood that, right? I don't have to tell it. Similarly here also. Purvat Saraha. Atmanepade dhatoh sananta rupani sananta the rupa dhatoh eva yaha dhatuh आत्मने पद धातोः सनन्तरूपं भवति तस्य तेषाम् आत्मनेपद प्रत्याहारः एव भवति इत्यर्थः तत् पूर्ववत् like before means what? Before adding the sun pratyaya, whatever the dhatu was, whatever means atmanepada, that dhatu will take atmanepada pratyaya only after adding sun also. So labate purvam, after sananta it is lipsate only. We cannot say other thing, not possible. You understand?
Yes.
Purvat sanaha. Right? In the case of other things, it is not like that. In the case of other things, it is, of course, some exceptions and all will be there. This dhatu says Purvat sanaha. Okay. In the case of Parasmepadi dhatu, it is not mentioned. Parasmepadi dhatu is not told. Therefore, Parasmepadi dhatu, there is no such rule. This tight rule is only for Atmanepada, not for the Parasmepada. Purvat sanaha, where is that? Number is 1362. Sorry, there. Purvat sanaha, please see. Okay. So before adding the dhatu is Atmanepada. Before adding the san pratyaya, the dhatu is Atmanepadi. Then after sananta, it will be Atmanepadam only. Okay. That is the important. That's what it says here. Okay. I will not get into too much into it, but a lot of things are there. Just to note, this is one sutra which I thought okay, to be included here. That's all. Okay. See, also not everything is complete. Sananta, when after dividing Sananta Rupam, then you knew dhatu, what we get. The question comes, what pratyaya should I add? When it comes to Atmanepada dhatu, there is no question. By this sutra, you add Atmanepada endings. That is what the sutra says. 1362 ordains Atmanepada pratyaya to the Atmanepadi dhatus.
Yes.
Okay. That is what the meaning is. If it is Parasmepadi, it is understood. If it is Parasmepadi, then the desiderative can be either Parasmepadi or if the verb Parasmepadi, then its desiderative will be
Parasmepadi.
Desiderative also must be Parasmepadi. That is a general rule. If the verb is Atmanepadi before, its desiderative will be Atmanepadi. This is what the sutra says. Right?
Yes.
The verb which is Atmanepadi, when it takes sun, that will be Atmanepadi. Right?
Yes.
If the word is Parasmepadi, then also will be Parasmepadi. But there are exceptions. The exceptions are given. That is why the sutra says Purvat sanaha. Okay. Anyway, this is a little connecting to other sutras. That's why we will not discuss much on that. But a general rule is a Parasmepadi dhatu will be Sananta Rupam will be Parasmepadi only. And Atmanepadi dhatu Sananta Rupam will be Atmanepadi only. This is a general rule. But there are exceptions. There are exceptions. The exceptions are covered. The exceptions are mentioned in the Sutra 1357, 58 and 59. If you see the Sutra Pata, Anyway, that is not required now. I'm just you can mention. That's why the sutra is given. Sanaha 137. That sanaha is Nya Shri Smru Dasham Sanaha Nanor Nyaha Pratyang Vyam Shrivaha Sanaha coming as Anuvritti for all this. And that is why this 62 sutra is required. Anyway, that much you know. More on that will not required now because it is a little out of context. Okay, so it will go somewhere else. Right. Now, next sutra. This also we just gloss over. Am Pratyavat Krinyona Prayogasya. This Am Pratyavat is Anuprayoge lit. You know, lit lakara, remote past, where we have by this rule, what happens? Atmanepada endings will be used with the dhatu kring dhatu. Anuprayoge lit. The dhatu is eligible for Atmanepada endings. Like the lit lakara is remote past, right? So remote past, lit lakara, and there's something called anuprayoge lit. Anuprayoge lit means probably you would have heard, like
Like chakre.
chakra will be there and one more dhatu will be there. Dhatu plus am pratyaya and kru dhatu ho lit rupa. A stock example can ed dhatu. Ed dhatu plus am pratyaya and kru dhatu ho lit rupa. Chakara Atmanepada rupam, sorry. Chakre. Chakra is Atmanepadi Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Okay, this is Anuprayoge lit. There is Sutram, Krinyana Prayogyate liti, one Sutram by that. Krudhatoho, you know, the Krudhatoho lit rupam is used with the dhatu having the am pratyaya. Anyway, that also we'll see when we see the lit lakara and related things. So Anuprayoge lit. Okay. So it says Atmanepada endings may be used with the dhatu kru. Where in Anuprayoge lit. If the dhatu is eligible for Atmanepada endings, of course. The next one, last but one, yeah, that we will stop. And then in detail, we will see in the sutras next class. Svaritaha Nitaha Kartavipraya Kriya Pale. Dhatu having a Svarita It, it means Ita Varna is such a letter and having a Swara is Svarita, or if it is Nit Dhatu, it means Nikara is Ita letter. If it is Pratham Dhatu, then the Dhatu will take Atmanepada endings, the Kriya Palam. If the result of the action, that is a result of the action means the karma which is of the dhatu, right? If it is exclusively intended of the for the karta, then it will take Atmanepadi. Otherwise, Parashanipadi. That's why the condition is that Karta Vipraya Kriyapale Sati. If it is Kriyapalam is intended for the karta, for the dhatu, which are Swarita Yit or Nit dhatuhu. Te Kartavipraya Kriyapale Tebhyaha Atmanepada Pratyaha eva bhavanti. Then Nijanta, what is Nich? Causative, Etumati, right? Patayati, Patayati. So now the question comes, Nijanta Dhatu, what about Nijanta Dhatu? That is also, if Kriyapala is intended for the Karta, then it will be Atmanepada. Otherwise, Parasmepadi. Like Chorayate. See, Chorayati, the person steals. Not for himself, for the family. Like Valmiki, before he became a Valmiki. He was a hunter, right? Yadaha, Chorayati. Suppose if he steals for himself, Chorayate. Right? He steals for himself, Chorayate. So these are the 5 important sutras in this section, which is covered here. Among the Sanadhyanta Dhatoha, which have taken Sanadhi Pratyaya with Nikara Sita letter, this is not required. This we will see then later. This Tadanta Vidi is something which is important I have to teach you on Paribhasha. We will see that later. Next class, we will see the Sutra, which already we have seen, but with the Paracheda, Anuvritti, etc. Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Let's stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। धन्यवादः।
Thank you. See you.